Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Please before you click off, I don't always look like this, but today we're looking this crusty for a reason. Today we're going to relax my hair. It's early in the morning. I've basically done nothing, not even my skincare routine, because I have to shower after this, and we have a nail chip, nail off situation going there, so it is what it is. So yeah, but this is how we're looking like, and we're going to start right now. So guys, first things first, these are the things you need when you want to relax your hair: a nice jelly comb, a nice white tooth comb, some clips, petroleum jelly. I use Vaseline, that's what's available in my country. I know you guys have multiple things you can use, so you can use Vaseline or any hair food oil that you need. And man, my growth is so much, so much that I could not skip not retouching my hair this year. I wanted to extend it, but I just decided no, we can't live like this. Just look, seriously, it's almost like 1 inch or even 3 inches. So basically you have to comb your hair first. Make sure like the comb is passing through before you start. Look at your instruction manual. Make sure you read all the instructions, even though you know the instructions by heart. Read, some things might have changed, likely not, but still read the instructions and follow them step by step. And then you have to now start sectioning your hair. I like sectioning it into 3 parts because my hair has become quite long. Yay! Guys, it's been a while. Anyway, so this updated version of me applying my chemical is not so different from the first one I did last year. But there are some things I think you guys are going to see better because of the quality of video has improved. Like now I'm applying oil, Vaseline to the hair roots and to my hairline and anywhere I sectioned my hair, because that's the first place that you start feeling the burn or the irritation when you apply your chemical. Don't forget your ears. You don't want your ears to get that funny feeling. Sawa, please make sure you don't skip this step. It is very important. And you also want to apply some on your hair so that your hair doesn't overcook, especially on the ends of your hair. For me, I like using my fingers because the comb is just too much work and we don't have that time. As you know, when you're relaxing your hair, you need to work very fast. So I start with the back of my hair, but I don't go all the way in. I just go around the perimeter of all the sections because that's the place where it has the most growth and it's the most toughest to manage. And then I now section the hair and apply within the sections of the hair with my fingers because I feel like I can feel what I'm doing. Like those are the eyes at the back of my head. Those are the eyes in the middle of my head. So the fingers really do the best job. Once I apply in the chemical, I massage it very well. Like I don't want it to touch my scalp. Massage it until it's nicely even, and then keep massaging it. And then for me, I like styling it into the style I usually use most of the time, and then I leave it on for around 5 to 2 minutes depending on how I feel, and then I go in and rinse it out, wash it out. Make sure you wash everything out. Use a neutralizing shampoo for this process. Make sure all the chemical is out. And then I go in and do deep conditioning, and I always use the same brand, which is Mega Growth, because I really love the brand. It is the best for kinky hair. Even if you're natural, if you're relaxed, it is really one of the best products, hands down. Trust me, use it. Let me know in the description bar below. Tell me if you like it too, and if you do, yeah, we're on the same team. So I did some treatment and I put on my steaming cap so that the product will enter very well and penetrate my hair, because once you do relaxer, your hair becomes fragile and you want to retain that strength in your hair. So deep conditioner is very important, and then that conditioner helps you comb out your hair, because once you wash it, it really becomes kinky and hard, and it's just not a pretty way to go about it. So the deep conditioner really helps in making it soft and combable. Then after that, I finish off and rinse my hair, do some treatment, and then I decided why not do my skincare routine here, because a girl has just come from showering, we're looking cute, let's have a fresh glowy face too. So these are the products I use. I'm just going to show you guys Everything will be in the description box below, because this wasn't a skincare routine, but I said why not? Like, this is what happens, by the way. This is the life. So yeah, we're looking cute. We did our skincare. Everything is coming together, and now my hair is drying on its own. By the way, this is a way that my hair dries. So I just put some treatment, make sure everywhere is coated, especially my edges and the ends of my hair, just basically everywhere. And then I'll put some Amla oil or any oil, but I really like Amla oil because it makes the hair dark first of all, naturally, and it also strengthens the hair. Very good. Indians use it. There's a reason why they use it, guys. There's a reason. So anyway, this is what I do. I comb it back, let it dry, hold it, and that's it. I'm actually done. It was that simple. And we are done. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're still here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you another time. I love you guys, baby. I seriously do. I hope you get to do things differently, or get to just find a new way of doing something through watching my channel. At least it will help you with self-care and stuff like that, because I'm all about beauty, self-care. Having time for yourself once in a while is not a bad thing. It keeps you sane. Again, it keeps you sane. Okay, see you guys later, and have an amazing week ahead of you.